Hello and welcome to our channel. Today we're excited to introduce you to the plastic storage baskets with bamboo lid. A versatile and stylish solution for all your organizing needs. Crafted from premium PP plastic and natural bamboo, these BPA-free storage containers are both durable and eco-friendly, measuring 10.2 by 7.2 by 4.1 inches, making them perfect for a variety of storage purposes. The chic woven design and natural bamboo lid ensure these baskets blend seamlessly with any decor, whether you're organizing your kitchen, playroom, or office. With their stackable design and convenient side handles, these bins not only save space but also make it easy to access your items, keeping your environment tidy and clutter-free. Ideal for use in closets, cabinets, or on shelves, these multi-purpose storage solutions are perfect for any room in your home or office. Plus, our commitment to quality means that if you're not completely satisfied, we're here to provide a solution that meets your needs. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more great organizing tips and product reviews. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.